Do this in your 20s and become financially free. Before you turn 30. Financial freedom is a hot topic that everyone is talking because it's almost every individual wants to achieve. After all, financial freedom offers financial security and freedom of time to pursue other passions. If you are in your 20s, you have the ability to make smart financial choices to help you get your financial freedom early in life. Making the right financial choices determines your financial freedom. If you want to be financially free before your 30s, keep reading to learn 8 ways to become financially free. 1. Create a budget and stick to it. One of the most vital first financial steps you will have to do is a budget. You will get your finances in order and track how much money comes in and out of your bank account every week and every month. It may look like a lot of work to create a budget, but you need to understand that it will help you greatly. Various online resources and applications like Mint, Truebill and GoodBudget can help you create a reasonable budget that you can refer to easily on your phone to keep you on track. You can tweak your budget as your spending habits and income change with time. Once you have created your budget, you must be consistent in sticking to it. Check your budgeting goals regularly to avoid spending more than you can afford. 2. Build a good credit score. Do you want to qualify for the best financial products mortgage loans? If you're answered yes, you need to ensure that you work on your credit score. Having a higher credit score can guarantee better terms whenever you apply for different types of financial services. If you want to qualify for a mortgage, you must have a good credit history. One of the best ways you can increase your credit score is by ensuring that you use your credit card wisely. 3. Set up an emergency fund. In life, you will encounter different types of unexpected expenses. For example, medical bills and car repairs can come abruptly. An emergency fund that can help you avoid taking out a loan payment for such expenses. This will save you from incurring money on interest charges you might incur, especially if you take a loan to cover such expenses. Having your money kept on a high-yield savings account whenever you are setting up an emergency fund can greatly benefit you. This is helpful, especially when reducing the temptation to withdraw money for non-emergency issues. 4. Start saving for retirement. It's never too early in age to start finding out saving for your retirement. The sooner you can start saving money for your future, the more it can grow. When you get your first full-time job, you can open an account where you can deposit a percentage of your salary. Having savings increases the feeling of financial security and gives you the money you need for investments in the future. 5. Pay off debts. If you have a student loan or a credit card debt, you should first try and pay them off. If you owe a lender money, it can hurt your credit. This lowers your credit score and therefore, you may be considered a high-risk borrower, especially if you have a large amount of debt. Take time to create a clear debt repayment plan and stick to it. Once you create your budget, set aside the amount of money you can put towards your debt every month. This helps in reducing your liabilities, and when you reduce your liabilities, you increase your net worth. This gives you the freedom to invest in other areas to increase your income. 6. Develop good money habits. Building good money habits and being proactive with your finances is essential in your 20s. Ensure that you spend within your means and avoid racking up unnecessary credit card debt or even paying high interest charges. Developing good money habits like spending less than you earn and maintaining an emergency fund will ensure that you manage your finances well. Besides that, budgeting for your extra expenses and looking for new earning opportunities will enable you to develop good financial management skills to manage your cash flows. 7. Save to invest. Most young people have not understood the importance of investing or having an investment. Most people prefer holding onto their cash instead of putting it in various types of investments. Some young people may have invested in cryptocurrency and have significantly benefited because they get profitable returns from it. You can consider investing in cryptocurrencies by trading them to earn profit. You need to understand that risking it in the stock market over a long period of time will give you the best returns. Instead of saving money and letting it stay in the bank, you may want to try out investing in various investment vehicles like stocks, where they will be able to increase in value with time. Having an investment-oriented mind is particularly beneficial, especially when it comes to ensuring that you increase the amount of money you have through multiplication and compounding. 8. Only borrow what you need. Only borrow the money you need. You don't want to be in debt and have to worry about how you're going to pay it back. It's important to only take out what you need so you can focus on other things, like your college coursework. This helps you build responsible borrowing behavior that is particularly helpful in ensuring that you manage your debts more effectively. Final takeaway. Making smart money decisions in your 20s can have various long-term benefits to help you achieve your financial success. If you have a goal to become financially free before you reach your 30s, the solution is to follow the tips discussed above and be consistent with saving money and investing wisely to secure your financial freedom. Don't forget to wisely choose your investment vehicles. Good luck!